Hi guys and welcome to this video. I will show with you how to link PSN PlayStation to Steam account. All you have to do, open your Steam account guys and go to the top right corner and then go to the setting option. From the setting option go to remote play. From here make sure guys this is remote is enabled. So guys, this is the first one, and then launch your PlayStation games that support account linking. Some supported games like Eldiverse 2 and Horizon Forbidden West, this is also supported from the PlayStation, and Last of Us Part 1. And then guys, for Horizon this part 1 and Marvel's Spider-Man, it's once game. When you will see QR code option to link your account, then click account and they will be redirected to log in your page on the Steam account. This is how you can do guys. If you have any problems, write in the comment and I will answer your question. Thanks for watching this video guys. See you on another video soon.